My God, it's so early. I can't even see. It's so dark. Let me go and turn on. What is that noise? Faye, are you okay?
I don't feel well.
Oh no. That's not good. Okay. Alright, well you stay. Alright, let me feel your head. Alright. Oh God, you feel so hot. Oh my God. Alright, well, I'll make you some soup to feel better, okay?
Okay.
You stay in bed. I gotta turn on all these lights. It's just really annoying. Alright, I'll be back when I turn on all the lights.
Mom.
So I turned on all the lights. Is there anything that you need that you want me to get you?
Can you get me my pill?
Yeah, I'll get you a pill. So let's go get her a pill. I keep all of the medication in this top cabinet so the kids can't get them. Alright, I got the pill. Let's go. Alright, here you go, sweetie.
Thank you.
Do you need water with that?
Yes, please.
Alright, just pretend that I cannot take this out of the kitchen sink. Here you go. I'll put your I'll put your water right there on your bookshelf.
Okay. Well, there it is.
Okay, so since it's I guess you won't be going to school today, okay? Stay in bed. What are you doing?
I'm getting my water.
Okay. Alright.
Here's my dish.
Okay, give me that.
Okay, I like.
I'll make you some soup.
Okay,
Alright, so I finished her soup. Oops, sorry for that bar that was over there. Oh God, I'm bringing her the whole bowl.
I'll come in the kitchen.
Oh no, don't come in. Don't bother coming in the kitchen. I don't want your germs getting everywhere. I'll put your soup right here. You can eat it right there. Okay, you're gonna be quarantined in your bedroom. You're gonna be quarantined in your bedroom. Yes, you quarantined in your bedroom. Okay. So while that she's doing that, I'm gonna go make some calls to her school and to my work. Alright, so I just finished making those calls and they said everything was fine. So I'm gonna go check on Faye now. Faye, how you feeling?
A little better.
A little better?
Yeah.
Okay. Stay in your room! Stay in your room! Where are you going? Where are you going? Girl, the bathroom is right. Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, she threw up. Oh my God, that's gonna make me wanna freaking throw up too. Girl, stay in the bedroom! A germaphobe, and I do not want the sick germs. I'm cleaning the house today. You know what? We're cleaning the house today. We are double lockdown cleaning, especially with the coronavirus. I don't want none of my little kids getting the coronavirus. I know it's not the coronavirus because we have not been outside the house forever, and there's no way you could have gotten corona. So it's not the coronavirus. You just got sick, and yeah, but still, I don't want it to, get worse. Let me get dressed and clean up. It's in bed. Blah, 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 blah. I don't have a husband, so I sleep by myself. Yeah, but it's okay. It's okay. So yeah, I think that we're just gonna relax for the rest of the day, cause there's really nothing much we do. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.